Each year from April to October, Ontario is the victim of about 20 tornadoes. On the Fujita-Pearson scale, which rates the strength of tornadoes from F0 to F5, the majority of Ontario tornadoes are F0, which means they're weak. However, the 1985 Barrie tornado was an F4 and killed 12 people. It's been almost 20 years since the deadly Woodstock tornado, and amazingly today, metal that was torn apart and hurled by the twister is still wrapped around trees in this bush just north of Woodstock. Tornadoes are the most violent storms in the world.
Get up under the girders!
Racking winds up to 800 kilometers an hour. A tornado itself travels about 70 kilometers an hour, usually from southwest to northeast. Some tornadoes are skinny, others as wide as a kilometer, and sometimes they're not alone. Buildings hit by tornadoes literally explode because of the extremely low pressure in the funnel cloud's core. Normally, tornadoes last a few minutes, but Canada's most devastating tornado in Edmonton was on the ground for an hour. Tornadoes develop in severe thunderstorms. These storms are a clash between warm, humid air at the surface and cooler, drier air in the upper atmosphere. Thunderstorms are usually triggered by an approaching cold front. The front causes the warm, humid air to rise, condense, and form a cloud, a process called an updraft. As the updrafts intensify, massive thick clouds with cauliflower-like edges develop. These clouds are cumulonimbus, or thunderstorm clouds. A rotating wall cloud will drop from the base of the thunderstorm and form a funnel cloud. When a funnel touches the ground, it becomes a tornado. Tornadoes are preceded by thunder and lightning, hail, strong winds, and heavy rain. The sky becomes extremely dark and often turns green or orange in color. Many people who witness tornadoes say they sound like a fast-moving train. What they actually heard was the sound of debris and hailstones colliding in midair. Scientists still have a lot of unanswered questions about tornadoes. For example, what triggers the counterclockwise winds within a funnel cloud? Do tornadoes start from the ground up or in the air? There's evidence to support both. Even with all of today's modern technology, tornadoes are still very much a mystery. Debbie Newfert, BBS News.